foam maker. This is the first part. This is the second part. First, fill the second part with water. This is the soap. Put the soap onto the first part. Then secure the lid on. Grab the heart handle and vigorously move it up and down. Within a few seconds, it should be done. This foam makes a perfect soap.